Right, let's look at turning mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay, you remember the terminology I taught you a few steps back, a few videos ago, okay? You will need to do this a lot, especially as you get older and into bigger grades. So let's learn how it's done. It's nice and easy. We're first going to times 10 by 3. Then we're going to get to 30. Then we're going to plus 30 plus 2. And we're going to end up with 32. I see the answer's wrong at the end there. Sorry, I will fix it up. Let's go fix it up quickly. It's going to be a 32. Okay, so now that I've shown you how it's done here with the green, let's take the green away and we're going to move on to how it was done. Basically what you did here in green, we're doing in blue here. So all we did was we did 10 times 3, 10 times 3. We kept the 3 denominator, and then we plussed 10 times 3, which is 30, plus the 2 at the top. There it is there. So we went like this. 10 and 2/3 is equal to 10 times 3. That was that step there. Plus 2. That was that step there. And we kept it over the original denominator, which was 3. And the answer will be 10 times 3 is 30, plus 2 is 32 over 3. Got it? Let's look at another one. So remember our step. It's 9 times 5 plus the 1 at the top of the numerator, the 1, over the denominator, which is 5. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 1 is 46 over 5. There you have your improper fraction. Again, it's going to be over the 3, 5 times 3 plus the numerator at the top. 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 1 is 16 over 3. Let's look at this one. It's going to be over the 2, which is our denominator. The procedure is 3 times 2, that's these 2 over here, plus the numerator at the top, the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 2. Nice and easy. So because it's so easy, I want you to do these 3. You're going to press pause, write these down, do them at home, come and press play, and then we'll look at them together. Okay, see you just now. Right, so you're back. Let's do the first one. It's over the denominator of 2, and it's going to be 4 times 2 plus 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 over 2. Next one, over the denominator of 3. 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. 11 over 3. Next one, the denominator is 5. 2 times 5 plus the 2 at the numerator. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Did you get those? I hope you did. It's a very important skill to have. You're going to be using it in all of your fraction problems going all the way up to matric, grade 12. See you in the next lecture.